Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk about Ondo. Just the local zones were more than okay to open position for middle of September and the upcoming potential altcoin season, October and November. Let's dive in. All right, guys. I totally understand. A lot of people already tired to listen all of this stuff about next month's altcoin season. Guys. Don't stick to some time frames. So just work with the price action and just wait. Just wait, because people lose a lot of money because they don't have, discipline to wait some target. You jump in too early and you out too late. So just better not catch the knives, because for example, if you wanna try open longs now here. The drop even to this liquidity pool, it's 6% drop on a spot. So I don't think so. You need that drop. Also, the max paying liquidations now is almost 500,000. It's 89 cents 13. And to the next liquidation, it's a longs. The short liquidations, it's $1.03 and it's 720K. But it's of course much logical to drop 1% down to liquidate 500,000, then push the price 14% up and liquidate 720K. Because before the Fed decision rate, this is a 15, here 17. So we got like, I guess 10 days before the Fed decision, and after that day, guys, usually the market needs to absorb that information, that decision, like 2-3 days. And that's why around, I guess, September 20, we can see the main direction on the new trend. Locally here, if we talk about the liquidations like 80, 88 here, it's like 2% down, for example, to this order block on the daily, but I think we can drop a little bit lower, like 6 and 8, and we can drop to this block. This is blocks of orders here, 10% down. 80 cents, it's personal for me would be amazing to see. I'm not sure if we will see, but would be good. Before before the Fed decision, I think they will trade us with some fear. So all market going down, down, and retails will scare. So, and would be interesting if they will not cut the rate. It's going to be just mind-blowing if they not cut and take a pause again. Because, the consensus now in crypto space, so they have to cut the rate, and that cuts should pump the crypto risky sector to the moon. Because they have to print the money, and now the altcoin season will start. Guys, I will be ready even for the pause until the next one Fed decision. So the max paying liquidation is 89. I'm more than sure we will drop under 90 cents. Next one, anyway, guys, all main liquidity, of course, higher. $1.02, $1 here. $1.02, $1.12. So definitely, guys, I believe the Ondo will hit the new all-time high this cycle again, because this is a top performer of real world asset sector. This one, next one, Plume, Maple Finance, Mantra already played. Has own time, but now it's time for Ondo. And now if we talk about the potential capitalization, 3.3 billion 16. Supply, 2.85 billion market capitalization, FDV 9 billion. Yes, FDV 9 billion is kind of big one. Definitely. So big difference between the market cap and FDV. The all-time high was like 515. And I mean, this difference is not good for the token. All-time high 5 billion. And if we count, for example, if we zoom out, to hit the, let's say, I don't know, it's 1, 2, this is the range, and let's say $3. So $3, it's will be 9.480 billion market capitalization. So with $3, $5, it's 15 and 800. Is it possible? Basically, yes. Basically, yes, because this is a real asset sector. And I hope, of course, the $5 looks promising, but at least $3 is a real price. The lowest point was in January 2025, like 8 cents. And to put the price to $3, it's more than real. So impulse, correction, and last impulse up. So $3, it's more than real to see for Ondo, I guess. Of course, we can't know everything. What is about $2.14, it's open space. And we can't know where the price will stop. Locally, if we talk about a local one zones, here, I wish to see the drop at least to 80 cents. I don't think so. We're going to drop to the buy line 60 cents. I don't think so. 12-hour time frame, buy line 64 cents. Also, I don't think so. We will drop that low. And next one, it's 4-hour time frame, 61. So too much liquidations, like 32% down. I don't think so. Is it possible? Yes, of course, but you can't even imagine what will be with other altcoins if for example, Ondo will drop to 32%. Imagine the Starknet, just like example, Starknet at almost all-time historical low, and if the Ondo will dump 32%, what will be with the other altcoins? That's why I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. We see this like order flow down, and usually we form something like support and come back close 50% of this downtrend. So now it's here. 50% is like $1.40 at least. That's why, guys, now no rush. Of course, if 90 cents is comfortable for you, personally, you can accumulate even now. I'm better wait, I don't know, 80 cents for sure. And after that, maybe 77. And I hope it will not drop to 60 cents buy line, not even on a daily or on a 12 time frame. So this is about a take profit. Let's take a look on 12 time frame. Liquidations and money power, this one. So liquidations can be, for me, this liquidity pools, it's like a magnet for market makers to drop and liquidate the people who open late loans. 84 cents. And now, RSI bullish divergency, MACD bullish divergency, now nothing. No money inflow. Daily time frame, still no money inflow. That's why, for me personally, guys, looks logical to liquidate this AQL lows. Where that one? AQL lows, and test this block. I don't think so. We're gonna drop again to this level like 60 cents. I hope we will not drop, but who knows? 4-hour time frame, yes, some money inflow start come back to the Ondo, and if we check the news, Ondo debuts over 100 tokenized use stocks and even Ethereum is a good one because, I believe in real world asset sector, and it's this is a sector like most serious one in all crypto space. I think the tokenization, everything around the financial system, the goods, the property, the real estate, I think it's a future. It's a future. And it's not like some staking, some lending, some layer 1, layer 2, all of this stuff, It can be the real use case in real world. That's why I believe in this sector. And the capitalization of this sector can be so huge. So if let's say, some meme token like SHIB reach 40 billion capitalization, why? For example, the Ondo can't hit $10, 31 billion. $10. Possible. It's not that crazy gains, but anyway, it's possible. So if we zoom out, for example, to the monthly time frame, and if we count $10 just in theory, like 1000. So it's only 10x. Build a realistic target for Ondo, but for long run. But now I think it's a good chance to accumulate 80 and 60. If the market makers want to form the double bottom, like one, or not a double bottom, you know, I mean the head and shoulder, right? Left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder to stop at 66 cents, it's going to be even the best option to buy. After that, $1.20, you withdraw initial deposit and with the free tokens right to the top. And I think we will see another leg up with this drop or without, and see another money outflow from the big guys. It's hard to say about by timing. So November, December, maybe, I don't know, spring 26. I believe in new all-time high for Ondo. But of course, it's just my subjective opinion, guys. Take a look the local one zones for direction and ADZ. Oh, this one we can close. Direction, no signal to buy yet. Signal to sell being here in Joule. 12 time frame, no signal to buy yet. 4 time frame, also no signal to buy. That's why, guys, just wait. Just better wait. Some direction signal for accumulation. ADZ, also nothing special, nothing good. I don't see on the chart. So here, the last one and only accumulation being at the beginning of August here at 84 cents. After that, of course, we bounce at like 31%. Now we're just in the middle. That's why it would be logical to see the divergence, like on the chart, this one, and the divergence on ADZ, this one. So this is a way. And if we talk about the take profit, I showed you trade on in the market mode. Here, market mode now, it's a disbelief on 12 time frame, disbelief on daily time frame, disbelief even on the weekly time frame. So my take is 80 cents and 60 cents. Zones like 2-3 limit orders where you can accumulate it on the sell, buy back, 12 time frame, sells, buybacks, no main signal to buy yet. 4 time frame, also no main signal to buy. The last one was here. That's why for me personally, you know, it looks like we should drop and liquidate that late longs. If you're the fan of trend lines here, and this is it, just in theory, trend line, and it can be or this one, and we hold the line for the leg up, or it can be a little bit, you know, wider. Come on, this one. To liquidate this stop losses, drop 10% down and bounce. Consolidate till 17 September and out, I don't know, by end of September out of this triangle. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Ondo. If you would like to trade with my customer, or showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.